Alright, so here we are back with another Amiga repair. This is an easy way to replace F1. There's a big hint right there. You can see F1 at the bottom of the picture right under the keyboard connector. FB215 right above that is a ferrite bead, basically for interference. Don't worry about it. So you can see what I've done here. I've soldered two Arduino wires. Actually, it's just one Arduino wire that I cut in half, leaving the connectors on the other two ends, which we will see in the next picture. All you have to do here is put a little bit of extra solder on the ends of F1. F1's already blown, so it's open, so those are just two solder points. It's an open circuit. You don't have to remove F1. I saw a different video where the guy pulls his board and stuff. Completely not necessary unless you just have to have it super clean inside your Amiga. But this is easily removed and reversed if anyone wants to actually solder F1 to the board. The nice thing about it is you're not putting any stress on the through holes or anything like that. So all you have to do here is shove the new F1 into the ends of the Arduino wires. That's held very securely in those tiny sockets basically. And then you can put some household tape or whatever over it to insulate it. You could be really neat and use shrink wrap. Tape is fine. It's not going to go anywhere. It'll hold F1 in just fine. If you don't like it down the road, snip it off and desolder it. This is easily undoable. If I blow F1 while I'm working on something else on this port, that's not a big deal. I can replace this in seconds because I bought a pack of 10 of these fuses. So all you have to do now that you've insulated F1, which is held in there securely in those little tiny Arduino wire sockets, is put it next to your motherboard. If you need to replace it, you can just pull that wire up. The wire's having a slack to come over the side. You just pull a fuse out, put a new one in, tape it up again, shove it back under there. So this should really take not very long at all. I think it's a great mod for down the road since occasionally these do blow. And it's easy to do, easy to undo. Give me a subscribe because I really appreciate it. Thanks for watching.